How to use the calendar view in Clickup. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you the basics of using the calendar view in Clickup, how to access it and what you actually can do with it. So let's just go ahead and get started. So how do we actually access the calendar view? Basically, if you just go ahead and open up any space or project, you'll be able to find it on the top, and then from there you can just go ahead and access it. So let's just go ahead and show you how to do it. So I'm just going to be using project 1 as an example here. So just go ahead and click on that, open up your project, and then from here, sorry, my voice is gone now. Anyways, so now that we have some tasks in here within the list view, some of them are unassigned with any due date, some of them are, and this is going to make a huge difference in the calendar view, and I will show you why in a sec. But now to actually access it, you should find it on the top here. As you can see, we have the list view, we have the board view, and we also have the calendar view here. And if you don't find it for some reason, you can just always go to the plus view here and you can always add it back, but it should be here for you. So just go ahead and click on it and it's just going to open up this calendar for us. And in this calendar, we can actually go ahead and see the days, we can see the dates, and we can also see here on the top the month and the year, and we can filter between them. So if you want to fast forward, you can simply do so, and if you want to go back in the past, you can always do so as well. Now in here we can actually go ahead and view any tasks that have a due date in our calendar and that specific date. So for example, if we go to the list view, we have all of these tasks, or this main one, these are subtasks, but we have all of these tasks at September 26th. So if we go to calendar to September 26th, we are going to find this one in here. And if we click on the tasks, you will be able to find everything about it. So you can actually go ahead and view it like so. And also on the right side here, we have a panel which is going to show us the overdue tasks, and we also are going to be able to see the unscheduled tasks. So for example, if we go to unscheduled here, we have these two that are unscheduled. This is just going to help us identify the tasks that are not available within this calendar view. Now also you can go ahead and integrate your Google Calendar if you would like, which you can actually do for free here, which is always great. Just click on add calendar and just go ahead and integrate it using this one. And also one last thing that I'm going to show you is that you can always create tasks in a specific date. So let's say I want to have a task on Monday the 30th. You can just go ahead and hover over it and click on create task, and you would want to give it a name. So I'm just going to give it the name test 2, and you can also set more stuff here like the priority and the custom fields if you would like, but I'm just going to go ahead and save. I'm just going to assign it to myself and click on save, and now we should have this task ready to go. And also, like I said, the overdue tasks are going to show in here as well, so you can always keep them in track. So these are the basics of how to actually use the calendar view in Clickup. It's actually very basic yet very powerful. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.